Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to see saved templates on Instagram. So what you want to do is pretty simple, but before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically what you want to do is open up your Instagram. Once you open up your Instagram, go to top left to add a story, or just go from right to left to scroll. And then you just want to, on the top bottom left, open your images, select anything. You need to make sure that it's on reel at the bottom. Then go back, select templates at the top left, and you will see saved section at the top. Now, if you don't have any templates saved, you won't see them here, but if you have them saved, you will see them right over here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.